News, my wonderful people. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar and Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu takes it to the next level. Atiku says Tinubu is a clown. Don't mind him. He's a real clown. This is coming on the heels that Tinubu has asked Alhaji Atiku Abubakar to step down for him, that he has done him good, and according to the law of nature, he says one good turn deserves another. And so if I've done you good, it is time for you to reciprocate as at when due. And this is the due time and the due season. You know, there's a popular adage that goes that you leave the stage when the ovation is loudest. When you begin to give excuses and you never pay attention to when you most made the impression on the people, and you joke with it, what will happen is that at the end of the day you will find yourself leaving the stage not relevant and not really being appreciated as you should have been if you have left on a higher note. Let's get all the details. The presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party (PDP), Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, yesterday mocked his counterpart in the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC), Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as a clown who was only fit to contest the post of Grand Comedian for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar advised PDP to APC to immediately replace Tinubu following his unending helpless goof to avoid further embarrassment. This is not the person for you. The embarrassment is too much than you can bear. It's going to cost more, and Nigerians are not stupid people. The world has moved on. Replace him now. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar spoke in a statement by his special assistant on public communication, Shehu Farank. The PDP alleged that Tinubu was only suitable for the position of comic chief and never president of Nigeria, going by his error, radiance, and utterances, which significantly are falling, representation of his falling health, deteriorating state that everyone can see except them, because they want to have him put there at all costs. This is sad. Relating in Kaduna State, Director General of the People Democratic Party Campaign Council dismissed Governor Nyesom Wike's recent apology to the people of the state as meaningless because it would not reverse the hardship and pain he has inflicted on the people, trying to get a favor from them, asking them to support Tinubu. Atiku, in a statement, said it was common knowledge that Tinubu goof every time he comes out in public to speak. Is this the president you want? Every time he speaks in error. He's not coherent. Not his fault. It is a failing health. We must know that. The statement said, if he is not saying that voters' card has expiration date, he's saying that young Nigerians are tweeting on WhatsApp, or that 50 million youths should be recruited into the Nigerian army and be fed with cassava in the morning and agbado in the night. How can you say Nigerians are tweeting on WhatsApp? Common is the kind of person, this is common with the kind of person we want to become Nigerians president. Nigerians are wiser and stronger. Their goof continues. As Lagos rally, he asks Nigerians to get their APV in order to vote for APC. Even whenever primary school children knows that the PVC is the only item that admits a voter into the polling unit. Without missing words, Tinubu's give always supply a lot of comedy, skits makers, and mimic workers. TikTok with content. He is self-writing joke and will make Nigeria a byword by some scum among the nations, which is why he should close his presidential campaign, step down honorably. This is a big shame for not just APC, but for himself. He is a comedian and he should step down honorably. That is Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. And in his resolution, he feels very strongly that Tinubu is not taking advantage of what he should take advantage of. Tinubu is doing other things rather than take advantage of the right thing. And the right thing is for him to step down, according to Atiku. Atiku feels very strongly that Tinubu keeps making all these errors because he's not ready for the position, and really he's not just speaking because he wants to pick on him. Tinubu has been making a lot of errors in recent days, and it calls for concern. It calls for one to have a look. I mean, APV, that's the latest. So there are a lot of things that could be looked in that regards, and from where he's coming from and being spoken about. El-Rufai went to his state and apologizing to the people that he knows that their state. I mean, everybody keep apologizing that they have failed, but yet nobody is doing anything particular with regards to the failure, and they tell us to still trust them. Trust is not a entitlement; it's earned. You've broken the trust over and over again, and you expect us to still trust you. You must really think that we are dull of understanding. Is that what you take us for? Newsflash, we are not. We are wise, we are focused, we are determined, and we know exactly the game you guys are trying to play. We can't succumb to your mania tricks that you've been using on the nation for quite some time now. If Nigeria is going to change, every one of us must get into the box together. Every one of us must get into it together. We cannot stay on one side and think that all of a sudden things will suddenly, manufacture itself, and everything will just fall in place. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. So, sincerely speaking, it is time for immediate attention to be paid to what we need to do. We need to pay immediate attention and do not joke about the reality that things have become more than we can imagine. Days upon us have come to reveal to us, how people who say they want to lead, actually some of them are fraudulent. Yeah, they don't have a good record. They don't even have a good record. Go and investigate and find out if they have what it takes. If they have anything of what it takes to lead a people. So these are the set of people. Both of them are calling themselves clan. One say one are clan, one say one are this thing. Whatever name they give themselves is up to them, trust me. And whatever name they give themselves is up to them. And we're not bothered about their names. What we are saying is this change must come, and every one of us must begin to work on it and ensure that, at the end of the day, we are truly happy. Bye for now.